On today's episode, we're fixing the sagging roof lining on this Volvo C70. So it's time to fix the sagging roof lining in this Volvo C70. And because the car's this is a 2007 model, I think, from memory. So it's about 18 years old now. So the only thing that's holding this roof lining in, there's some black tabs that are clipped into the roof. And those tabs have glue on it, and the glue was attached to the sagging part or the roof lining here. And that's the only thing that's holding it in. I've been thinking about the best way how to do this. And one of the options that I have is to try and remove the plastic tabs that are still attached to the roof. Now, I don't think I want to try and remove it because they could be brittle and I could go to remove it and they could snap. And if they snap, I won't have it. I'll have to try and order the parts, try and get them from Volvo or somewhere else to replace them. And I think I'm just going to cause a little bit too much trouble for myself. I've done some research and I found this from JB Weld, not sponsored, and it's called a plastic bonder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to put it on the black tabs that are attached to the roof. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to push the roof lining into position, and it'll take about 15 minutes to set. So let's get to it and let's see if I can get this roof lining back to looking how it used to. So this is a really clear picture of the tab. So I don't want to remove them. And you can see where they're actually glued to here. So I don't want to spend time and pull this off because it could rip the roof lining. So what I'm going to do when I glue it, I'll put the glue on here, I'll line them up into the correct position, and then hopefully just pushing it up like that for a little bit of time, I'll get a piece of timber and try and wedge it up, and we'll see how we go. So we'll open this plastic weld up, and so it tells you what to do on the instructions. Mix, you've got to remove the replaceable cap, which is that grey cap there. I'll get it out now. And I'm wearing gloves because I don't want this, if this glue sets in 15 minutes, I don't want anything coming on my skin. So we've got that cap. It says remove the cap, press down on the plunger and squeeze equal amounts onto a disposable surface and mix thoroughly. And then apply with appropriate tool and even coat, weld bead or extruded shape as needed. And then it sets in 15 minutes, cures in 30 minutes. Okay, so like that. Don't want anything on the leather. What I'm going to do, I'm going to squeeze, take the plunger and squeeze. All right. I'll put the cap back on. Now give this a good mix. Okay. I'll just get my other light so I can see what I'm doing. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm lining up the tabs in line with how they glued previously. So you can see how they glued previously. So I'm just lining them up as best as possible. So what I'm going to do now, just make sure there's no glue on my hands, my gloves. So I'm going to put it into position. I'm going to put this one out of the way. And then they should line up like they did previously, and I'm going to hold it like that. And then what I need to do now is take this piece of timber and just holds it for 15 minutes. I'm going to use my head. I'm just going to have to stay till I find another solution. I'll come up with another solution for the other one. So I probably could have come up with a better solution. So I'm just waiting for it to dry at the moment. So I'm using my head and I'm using my arm that's resting on the passenger seat over there. Before I do the back one, I want to see if I can find a piece of timber that actually fits to save me some time. But I think it's starting to work, we'll see. As you can see, we've had to get a little bit creative. So using whatever we can find, plastic tubs, extra pieces of timber, so I've been able to support it in 3 spots. So it's starting to feel a little bit sticky now. So I just want to leave it there for a bit longer because it is cooler temperatures at the moment. And one thing I'll show you, let me go and grab it. So this is going to give me my mixing tray and my paddle pop stick. This is going to give me a good indication, and I can see now that it's finally starting. This is actually starting to get really sticky, but you can see it hasn't really cured yet. So what I want to do, I just want to wait a little bit longer. So it probably will hold if I take those out, but I want to give it the best opportunity to stick. So I'm just going to wait till this gets a bit harder. I've left everything drying longer than the recommended time due to the temperature today. So this is my test patch, or this is where I mixed everything up, and you can see that that's gone really dry now. So there's nothing, maybe you can see that's really, it's turned into like a silicone type thing. So what I'm going to do, I am going to throw that away. I'm going to take the timber out, my supports out. And then what I'm going to do, I won't film this part. I'm going to glue the rest of it up, set it all up, and that should be it. And I'll show you when I'm done. I've let the plastic bonder dry a lot longer than recommended, again, due to the temperature. And you can see now, so that was my mixing stick in there. That's not going anywhere. So I'm confident that it's all dry now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all my supports out in the car, and let's hope that nothing actually comes down again. The only one that I had trouble with was that back corner. So I'm hoping, oh, everything's still up. And it stayed perfect. I'm really happy with how the roof lining is actually not falling down anymore. It looks like it was never in the sagging position. Now the next time this car gets driven, the vision won't be blocked because that roof lining is hanging down. If you do have a C70, grab yourself some of this plastic bonder. As I said, not sponsored, but really happy with the result. This is easy, anybody can do it. Why don't you give it a try? If you like the video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more content from Modaufy Garage, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.